Okay, so today we're going to practice doing some phoneme substitutions with our pictures. So remember, we're just changing some of the sounds of the word by removing either the first sound, the middle sound, or the last sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the sounds I want you to change, and you're going to try and find which picture I'm talking about. So first, we're going to say the word cub. Can you say cub? All right, now change the B in cub and make it a P. Which picture am I thinking of? Take out the B at the end of cub, make it a P. What's the new word? Cup. If I take out the B in cub and make it a P, it says cup. All right, let's try it again. Let's try saying the word man. Man. Okay, now take out the N sound and make it a P sound. If I take out the N in man and make it a P, I have map. Over here. Is that the picture you found? Okay, let's try it again. This time, let's try the word fan. Say the word fan. Now take out the F sound. Make it a K sound. Which picture am I thinking of now? Fan, taking out the F, leaves the K in the beginning, K, and can. Did you get that one? Let's try two more. Let's try bun. Can you say the word bun? Okay, take out the N sound at the end of bun. Make it a S. Which picture am I thinking of now? If I take out the N sound in bun and add in a S, I have bus. Did you get bus? Okay, last one. Let's see. Can you say the word pig? Good. Now take out the G sound in pig and make it a N. Take out that last sound in pig, make it a N. What's the new word? Which picture is it? Pin. Pin. All right, great job. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be making words in a word chain. So we have a bunch of letters over here, and our job is to use those letters to make these words, and then we're going to type the word all together. So let's just start with the first word. We have a bed. B, e, d. The first letter I need is a B. So I look over here. Any of the B's will do. It doesn't matter which one I choose. Oopsies. Switch the slides here. Let's just get out of this view then. Let's see here. All right. Well, here we go. We're still doing the same activity. We're going to use the bed here. So let's make a B. Here's B. We'll take that up to the first box because we know that's the first sound. B. Ed. The next sound we need is an E. find any E here and drag it over to the middle box, because that's the next sound, B. Ed. I need the letter D in the last box because that's the last sound, B. Ed. The next step is to write the whole word, B. Ed. Just like you see over here, all I did was type in the letters I already picked. Now, I'm going to make the next word by only changing one letter. So I'm going to go from bed. What could this word be that only changes one letter? It looks like a dog, but they're asking for something. That's the word beg. So I need b, egg. This time I'm going to change that last sound. So I could sound out the whole word and find the letters, or I can know that if I'm just changing the last sound, I can just put down these two letters again in the beginning. So I know I need B first, B, E in the middle, and then I need that last sound. Instead of it being D for bed, I need to say beg. So what letter should I put in the last box? I'll try the letter G. B, egg. Yep, that makes the right sound. Now I'm going to write the word beg in the lines next to it. Okay, now I have to change this word again from beg. I'm only going to change one letter, and I need it to fit here to make a word that goes with this picture. What could this picture be? Well, I see a small dot there and an arrow pointing to this one. This could be big. B-ig. That would only change one sound. Let's write the word big. B. I. G. Now I'm going to type it out. B-ig. Big. Do you see how we're making a word chain? We're only changing one letter to make a brand new word each time. So now I have the word big, and I need to change one letter to match this picture. What is it? A pig. So now I'm going to drag the letters I need to make pig. P, I, G. The next thing I have to do is type out those letters to match on the lines, pig, and I would keep going. Boys and girls, you're going to get a turn to do this yourself. You can pick the sheet that you want to do. You only need to do one sheet. You do not need to do more than one of them. And when you click into it, it's not going to have any of the answers on it. Just like I did, you're going to be dragging letters over from the side to make the word, and then typing in the box to fill it in. Remember, you're only changing one letter in each word to make the next word. So here we had B-E-D. We changed the D to be a G to make B-E-G. Beg. Bed. Beg. Then we changed the middle letter. We left the B, we left the G, but we changed the E to an I. And now we don't have beg, we have big. So that's what you're going to be doing on your own today. Make sure that you're only changing one letter each time. And don't forget to type the word in the box when you're finished making it with the letters. Do your best work.